spare part selection, we adhere to strict quality standards, only sourcing genuine original components or high-quality certified aftermarket parts. We firmly exclude remanufactured and inferior parts from production. Every batch of incoming parts undergoes rigorous sampling inspection before warehousing, ensuring reliability from the source. Boasting robust manufacturing capacity, our annual output exceeds 50,000 units. Equipped with 2 manual assembly lines and 1 fully automated production line, our core assembly team has an average of over 5 years of industry experience, guaranteeing assembly precision and performance stability for each engine. Prior to delivery, all products pass a comprehensive quality inspection covering appearance, sealing, performance, marking specifications, and hot running-in tests. We provide customers with factory inspection reports and hot running-in test videos for full traceability. Our sound quality control system keeps the defective rate below 0.5%. For packaging, we tailor solutions for each model, adopting a triple protection structure: premium PP plastic bags and custom foam blocks and high-strength wooden crates. This design fully shields product from bumps and impacts during international transportation, ensuring intact delivery. We also offer high-quality after-sales service, including professional technical support throughout the entire product lifecycle and a 1-year warranty for all products, resolving customers' concerns comprehensively. To date, our products have been exported to over 50 countries and regions, serving more than 5,000 customers worldwide. We are actively expanding the global market, sincerely inviting agents and partners to achieve mutual benefits. We look forward to establishing long-term, stable cooperation with you.